Millions in the southeast are bracing for Alberto to hit as it continues to churn north toward the Gulf Coast. The subtropical storm is expected to slam into the Florida Panhandle Monday and bring drenching rains and potentially deadly flooding to southern coastal states. But Alberto, the first named Atlantic storm of 2018, is already making its presence felt.
Just a whole whirlwind of just water and air.
Already dumping rain and gusty winds on Alabama, Florida, and Mississippi through Memorial Day weekend.
Trying to get some sun if possible, but I don't know how easy that will be.
Governors of those states have declared states of emergency as they're likely to get the brunt of the storm. Forecasters predict Alberto is expected to drop as much as 12 inches of rain and pack as much as 65 miles per hour of sustained winds. Thousands in Florida evacuated their homes Sunday and much earlier than expected, as hurricane season doesn't officially begin until June 1st.